What's going on, beautiful people? I am your Magician. Welcome to my channel. So in my last video I made a $3, yes, I'm cheap, y'all, I'm cheap. I made a $3 DIY Fenty Fairy Bomb glittering pom pom. So I made it for $3 and it actually works. Like, it actually puffs out like puffs out or whatever on the other side. So because I made it for $3, and if I'm gonna say that it's a dupe or a comparison to a Fenty Fairy Bomb, then I feel like, you know, I should compare it to a Fenty Fairy Bomb. It only makes sense. So I'm gonna compare my $3 dupe versus, how much was this? I think it came up to like $59. Meh. We'll just put retail value $2.45. $52. Okay? Before taxes. So first, let's do a little unboxing of this beauty because it is absolutely beautiful. Just like everything else, and it's always the packaging. Like, Rihanna, like, stop. You're already rich, you're making everybody poor. Oh my god, stop releasing things. Now she's releasing lingerie. Now everybody gonna have fancier drawers than they had before. Rihanna, you should hire me. Let me make things for you, and then maybe I can afford all the things you keep releasing. See, I'm willing to work for it. I'm not asking for it. I'm willing to work for it. Just slide on it. Oh, it gets prettier. Shimmer plus shimmering puff pack. Wow. Well, bedazzle me, baby. This is hard to do when you have nails. Oh, I did it. Oh, there's more. Oh, no, fantastic. Ooh. Oh, it's so cute. Like, you feel so fancy, like. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Right off the bat, that actually, wow. That smells so good. The box is so cute. So of course in size, mine is smaller. Mine is actually more like a face puff, so it's flat. And this is the actual this is like a McDouble, and this is like, what burger is it? Yo, I used to work at Licks, so this is like maybe a Licks Hulk burger or a Licks burger with like all the toppings. This right here. So mine's kind of like, you know, no, McDoubles can go on, so don't judge my shit, okay? I don't really eat McDonald's, but I know everybody eats Junior Chickens and McDoubles, so don't diss my $3 Fairy Bomb. Anyways. And it's so cute. Like, the little bell says Fenty. Ooh, that's like, you know, ooh, I get it. Like, here's what I get it. You're supposed to put your fingers like this. Like, serve. But, like, I already know I have to, like, beat myself for this to come out first. So, should I do this first? Or should I do this first? Nah, I'm gonna do this first. Oh, we're getting something. But it hasn't shown on here yet. Like, it's not activated. My arm's tired. It's starting to come out a little bit though. Like, right here. It looks pretty though. Ooh. Wow, it smells so good. So when I'm looking at it, like, on my actual skin, it has like iridescent, like, purples, silver, but rose and gold. So it's so nice. And it smells like vanilla bean. Like, as you're pouting it, like, you're getting whiffs of like vanilla. Okay, so that's Rihanna's slide, $52. Pretty. So this is mine. So this is my puff. I've already used it a couple times. $3. Let's try it out. Like, I don't have to hit as hard with mine, to be honest. Like, I guess because that one is like an actual puff giant ball, you know, a big old hamburger. You gotta like puff harder. But like with this, I feel like I can go lighter, but like if I want to. Can you see it? Kind of. See, mine is a little more subtle, I guess. I didn't add any silvers or purples. I messed up. But it's still pretty. Can you see? Oh my gosh, I feel like all the lighting is just not working. So this is my DIY side with the shimmer. And this is the Fenty side. You can see like what I mean when it has more like purple tone. Or like rose pinky. So yeah, that's the comparison. My side $3, Fenty side $52. Obviously I feel like this should be better if it's $52, you know, but I don't know, like $52 I feel like I can do with the $3. Like it's just like, it's not just as good, but like it can go on, you know, like I'm still glowing, I'm still popping, I'm still shiny, iridescent, glowy, a little luminous. It's customizable. I can make whatever shade of pigments I want. Mine does transfer a little bit more, but whatever. It's $3. It does smell really good. Mine doesn't have a smell, but whatever. I can just spray. I have so much perfume, it's fine. This is obviously super cute. You're paying for the name. You're paying for cuteness. You're paying for Rihanna pigment powder or highlight powder, whatever. You're paying for Rihanna, whom I love and adore. Rihanna, I love you. Let's get married. I love how this smells. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know, does my $3 dupe, can it match up to the real Fenty Fairy Bomb? So now I'm gonna go walk around like a sparkly girl, sparkly girl, sparkly girl. So shine bright tonight, you and I. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know, does my $3 DIY match up to the real deal? Can it go on? Would you make it? Did you make it? If you guys make this, let me know. Show me how it turned out. I want to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.